that bead on there. Ready?
Oh.
There you go. Same thing now. Ready?
Oh.
Oh, a little behind. Ready?
Oh.
Last one. Ready?
Oh.
Not today, man, huh?
Today's not my day.
Hurt your shoulder?
Nah, it's just got a little
Remember,
soft
you just
spot.
gotta, if you know it's gonna break, try and follow it and look for the trees where you know that point is at. The best time to hit it is actually when it's at its apex.
Okay.
It slows down there and then starts to go downhill. So if you know there's a dead tree there,
Yeah.
if you know it's gonna be there, maybe over in that area there, so you only have a couple of feet to get to. Okay? We'll try that next. Who's up next?
Unlike the other
Sorry, I stopped. Sorry.
when you're there,
Not that around.
Well, you got him right yeah, I mean, you were.
Мне поэтому не понравилось. Тарелка херня. Артур, Артур. Ты сюда посмотри, придурок.